So Diablo's QuickCast now. I'm gonna show you how to do it. So basically, the original it's like you hotkey it like that. It just ships like that, right? But you can show bindings. Show your bindings like that. But and then we go to QuickCast, and then it's kind of weird. So when you press the button, it casts it. So for example, change this to like 2. So this would be Q. I gotta change that one to W. Kind of weird and different. That's F6. So R will do that. So it feels like League of Legends now. So yeah. So let's do like League of Legends and then build to it.
Not enough mana.
So yeah. Now these become like you press one button and then you can like do the cast versus like changing them as before. So let's go back. Let's disable quick cast. So quick cast is disabled now, so it's changing through here. Let's do this as E. Get my guy back, and then we'll just play with this display. That works out for me too.
Yes?
Oops.
Hello.
So W is it's kind of weird. Oops.
I need a key.
Oh, there's no quick cast. Ah, jeez. So now we have to quick cast.
It's locked. It's locked.
It's like a different game. I think I used to do it. So you see how it's pressing now? It's pretty cool. a totally different game now. It feels like League of Legends now, so it's pretty cool. I don't know if I prefer this more.
I need a key.
Aw. It's like faster. It's like something to get used to, I guess.
I need mana.
So yeah, it's pretty cool.
Not enough mana.
Yeah, that's how you do it. So thanks for watching, guys. Peace.